You haven't heard about Netflix? Supposedly it's going down.
What?
Well, not completely down. Let me explain. Coming up next. Let's go. Welcome to Touchtone App and Tech Trends, where we bring you guys the latest apps and tech trends. If you need to go below and subscribe, hit the little bell to keep alerted of all my videos. To win $2,000 for this month, you have to subscribe and comment. You'll also be eligible to win products and cash. Well, listen, enough of that. Netflix. What is going on with Netflix, guys? especially in the UK. Are you guys throttling? Are you guys not able to watch HD? Well, let me tell you what is going on. I'm sorry, guys. A lot of people tell me to slow down, but I try to bring you guys videos quick and fast, not to bore you. And I understand some of you guys, I talk too fast, but listen, stop the video, rewind it, do what you gotta do. So many people at home, because of the coronavirus, that everybody's streaming. Yes, welcome to our world, the streaming world. Everybody's watching either IPTV or Netflix, or regular people that don't even know about free apps and stuff like that are watching their paid apps like Netflix. So what's going on with Netflix? It's so overcrowded. Servers are so overcrowded. They can barely take the traffic. They're not allowing you to watch HD, and they're bringing you straight down to SD. Why are they doing that? Because the HD takes more bandwidth, the more crowded, the more faster it's gonna buffer. You get the point, right? So they got to scale you down. Unfortunately, in the US, I haven't heard anybody really saying that. What I've heard is people getting kicked out, people not able to log in, so it's happening here as well, little by little. I guess we have bigger servers and bigger market here in the US. So how do you prevent that? Well, there's nothing you can really do to prevent that. Get yourself a free application to watch free movies, or get a paid application like Plex, so you're able to watch. The servers are not as packed. These guys usually buy other servers for the overflow. Okay, the overflow. That's what you can do. Guys, keep safe inside. This was just a quick little video of giving you guys heads up. Also, your internet companies are throttling you because too much bandwidth. Everybody's using the internet. A lot of people are getting new service. Everybody's going crazy thinking, what are we gonna do? All you can do is stay home and watch movies or watch our YouTube channel. So throttling, that is the issue. Nothing you can do about it. Use your phone. If you use your hotspot, you're probably gonna get a better connection than your home internet, unless you use a 1 gig like myself. If you're using 1 gig, you should be okay. But if you're using 40, 50, 25, you're gonna have some issues, guys. I feel sorry for everybody. Guys, keep clean, wash your hands. I appreciate you guys like always. Hopefully everybody get back to the regular routine soon. I just thank you guys for everything you guys do. Subscribing, for commenting below. You guys are the best. Also, I want to congratulate Nilda for the IPTV service of 1 month. Make sure you comment below, Nilda, so I can get your email. We've already commented and you haven't responded. I appreciate you guys like always. You know the way we do here, guys. Get ready also for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday videos. Peace and grace, and catch the new takeaway.